What's up, guys? How are you all today? And I know that it's been a while since I've uploaded any videos, but come on, I was busy. So today I'm gonna play Plants vs Brainrots. I've recently just finished the admin abuse, and why am I not? Why don't I have a billion, man? And yeah, as you can see, I got tongue sahur, which is just awesome. And I also have control lasso 3 loss. Okay, I'm not even gonna bother pronouncing this, but let's just open base packs. Wait, I completed the admin chest task. Let's go. Oh. Oh. Visit. Yes, let's go. Let's see. Oh my god. Oh. Let's go. That is awesome. So yeah, I upgraded my plants to be awesome. But I don't really get I don't really get the frosty thing. Wait, look here. You saw that? It said frosty. I don't know what it does. I guess it's because of the frozen Mr. Carrot and frozen Shroombi. I guess it freezes them or slows them down a bit. I don't know. But I don't know how. But like somehow this deals more damage than this. Like, come on. Tell me that deals more damage than this. Like, come on. You can't say that. Come on.
Frigo Camelo.
Wait. This is easy. What? But come on, man. Tell me that this is not cool. Wait, am I the richest player in this server? Yes, I'm the richest player in this server. Let's go. And now I'm a billionaire. I hope. Nope. Nope. Never happening. But come on, man. The admin abuse was awesome. You gotta admit. Let's see other people. Oh my god. I think this guy is trying to trade me a Bar Patapim for one of his. Wait. I think he just gave me a gift.
Frigo Camel.
Wait, you need this? Where are you? No, you're not gonna get that. I'm gonna give you this. Bro, you seriously declined this? Oh my god. What's that? What is that? Yep, that was a reasonable choice. Everyone would do that. Wait, let me call my friend real quick.
इस समय वीडियो क्यों बना रहे हो?
You just join me in Plants versus Brain Rods, okay? Join me in Plants versus Brain Rods.
Okay, bruh. I'm joining you.
I'm richer than you. I have seen bro. Join.
What?
Yes. Join me, little bro. Join me.
Okay, wait, bruh.
I'm richer than you. Come on, just admit it. Come on. Join. Where are you? Come to my garden.
Guys, this is literally 1 a.m. in the morning and we both are recording a video. Smash the like button and hit subscribe if you want us to make our own channel.
Next is Newbie Zombini. 1.8k per second times 2 times 2. Come to my garden. Look at this.
You little try hard, bro.
Look at my garden.
Bro, you are literally a try hard.
I just played admin abuse.
In every game I help you. It makes me regret.
Frigo Camel.
And I 49,000 per second. Check the leaderboard level, bro. My worst brain rot makes 17,000 per second. Actually, wait, 18,000 per second.
I have a secret. Lavaka Saturno Tatarvita.
Okay, then show me, little bro. Little bro, show me. Show me. Show me.
Guys, wait a second, guys. 44 $143 per second, bro. What the heck?
Yes. And I totally paid 349 per second. 49,000 per second. But I have tung sabur. Wait. Let me open this base card pack. Wait.
Oh, one Coco tank is in stock.
Stock. Well, I don't think. Is it in stock? झूठे हो तुम. You are lying. You are definitely lying.
No, I am not lying.
Okay, well, if it is in stock, I don't really need it. I have better things than that. You should buy it because you don't have Coco Tank. Let me see your.
I have Coco tank. No,
What is
I have.
what is your best?
My best is a Coco tank.
Because my best is a cake iPhone. It does 9.1 k damage per second. Well, I think it's the best plan. My mount is 14.5 k per second. 14.5 k per second.
Bro, in every game I am the one who is giving you, bro, not one of the best things in every game.
No,
Then you just make me regret it.
liar, bro. I have frozen room below, which is actually a secret plan, which does 62.5 k damage per second.
Bro, oh wait, I can revert now.
Rebirth. Well, you will lose everything, little bro.
No, we will not lose everything.
Okay, then rebirth. Let's see.
I have rebirthed.
Let's see your garden. You lost everything, didn't you?
No,
Wait. Then what did you lose? You have not rebirth.
I have rebirthed.
Liar.
No, I just got 1 plus space for my card.
What did you lose? What did you lose? Did you lose money?
Yes,
How much?
I had $16 billion. Now I have 1,500
You had 16 million, not billion.
billion.
Okay, well, I'm gonna reverse then. Wait. Oh my god. I don't have a LSU. Oh my god. I seriously have to turn auto sell off. Heck no.
And like always, nothing good in stock. I love this game, bro.
Bro, have you ever seen stuff in Grow Garden? You think that this is bad?
You know what, bro? I just want to tell you something.
What?
That you should go out and touch some grass.
Bro, I have not played this game in 2 months. And today, I got all this. Yes, I am not lying.
Bro, I am just want to. Hey, bro. Hey, bro.
What? What?
Can I have something from your garden?
No. No, you cannot have anything. This is all top secret stuff. Look, it even says secret. And you will never have tum 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 sahur.
No, I just want this purple one.
Carnivorous plant.
What is this even called, bro?
Carnivorous plant.
Carnivorous plant.
Okay. I have picked up the carnivorous plant. I hope I won't regret it. Take. Wait.
Thank you.
Now I'm gonna plant something even better. Oh my god! When I need LSU, I can never get it. But when I need something better, I always get it. That is just like that. Do you have an LSU?
LSU. Wait.
Give me LSU.
Uh,
ALESSIO. That is ballerina cappuccina. Yes. Yay! I'm ready, bird. Oh, only my money will be lost. Let's go.
I am on rebirth 4. I'm almost to max rebirth.
Yay! Equip best brain rods. And okay, TV Sumo 3. Okay, not bad. Magma, godly. Bro, look at this. Oh, what a body lucky. Oh my god. You
No. You got. Are you kidding me, bro?
bro, wait. I got a body lucky. I'm not joking.
Now you are kidding me.
Look at this.
What the heck?
Do you want to?
What?
Do you want to instant?
Yes. No.
No. Do you want?
Wait, let me see my index. I'm trying to complete my index. Giraffe celestial. No, I don't need it. I have it already.
Well, I have 2 eggs. Okay, let's see. What? Yeah?
Oh my god! No!
What? I got this. Construction
Bro!
Yeah.
Bro!
What?
Look! Just...
This. Look. What?
Just see.
What?
I just want you to see the the plant shop.
The plant shop. Okay, let's see. Let's see.
You are gonna freak out, dude.
I already have plants here. It is right here, bro. It is right here. I plant I already have that. ठीक है
Guys,
What is the plant's secret is? What? 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 This guy is mad. Tum tum tum
you have listened to the rap.
What is blue cat? I got billion. B for billion. Okay. Wait. What? It's not green thing. I am rich. I am rich. Yay. I am from the freedom. With tennis love. Tennis love. I got yay. I am wait for me Gucci spawn. Wait, Gucci spawn. Do you want it?
Bro, I literally have a secret.
What?
And a limited time with Pata Beam.
What?
And I have a limited time mutation. I have this, bro. I have this. I have a Tomatrio. I have one of the rarest mutations in the game. Ruby.
Come on. I know. Come from the tower. Oh shit. Yeah.
What the shit?
I make 1 million every 2 seconds. That's all you know. Wait, 1 second. But now. Wait, let's open card pack. Card back. Okay, whirlwind. Cactus movie. Oh my god. What are you doing? Ooh, leather grip bat. It looks this bat does 6 damage. You
Hey, 6, 7.
I thought you can see the video. This is 6, 7. 6, 7.
Mateo.
Martin. Where? I played admin.
Guys, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe because we are literally it's 2 a.m. right now. Now it has been 2 a.m. right now and we're still recording this video.
Look, when I did not need a rescue, then need a life is just like that.
Oh no, this I love this portion. This small
Portion?
bro.
Small portion? What? I'm coming to your area. What? What?
This portion, small portion. Nice.
Bro, people are begging things from you and not me. To play in the server. I have 1.1 billion. Why are people begging from you?
I don't know.
Yes, because they are stupid.
Oh, I can complete.
Bro, do you have a Nubisi pizza Nini?
Yeah.
No, wait, no. Wait, one second. Nubidi Banini. Banini. It is the most basic brain rot, man. Nubidi Banini.
Yeah, I think I just had them.
Mate.
No, bata pee.
Where?
I will steal your brain rot. I will steal your brain rot. Why can't you steal your brain rot?
Where? I just got a Mateo.
Bro, do you have any secret brain rot? I think you do. You have a knife to pass on. It's secret.
I only have one secret plant and I have one secret brain rot. No. Yo, Vihan.
What?
Do you think that Grua Garden will get revived since it is getting a movie?
Yes. Oh.
Guys, if you want me and the futuristic game traveler aka Vihan, my best friend, to make our channel some collab channel, so make sure to like and subscribe this video. If this video gets 10 likes, I will make the futuristic game traveler and my channel collab.
Okay, last base card pack. Let's go.
Bruh.
Guys, like and subscribe for guys. Guys, I'm gonna get something awesome. Root. Where is Riz root? Yes. Oh my god. I want Riz root. Oh. Increase by 50%. I have 6.3 luck. What is your luck?
I have 12.2x luck.
What? How do you have so much luck?
I don't know, man.
You have
I just got a box.
you have paid the developer.
What?
I bet you have paid the developers.
Bro, I have not paid the developers, bro. Now I have.
Bro, you are lagging so much. Wait, I think I'm lagging. Oh no. Lag! Lag is taking over. No, I disconnected. Okay, so guys, I think that's it for today. So if you wanna watch more Plants vs Brain Rot videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, peace out.